Hey, I'm coming to you from Prodigy School of the Arts with your lesson recap of Yellow Butterflies by Jane Montgomery. We're going to pick up where we left off, which is at measure 9 with our fourth finger on F, pointer finger on D flat. I'm going to play that 3 times for measure 9. And then we're going to just switch out these 2 fingers here for measure 10. Keep that F the same. Okay, let's do it again. 2, 3, flip over. I'm going to take these 2 fingers and move them right over here. Thumb comes out. And then C together with the A flat. 2, 3. Okay, I'll do that one more time for you just so you can see that. 2, 3, flip over. 2, 3. Now we're going to go back here again. Okay, just play it once for measure 13. Stepping up, skip back pattern. Stepping up, skip back, starting from D flat. Stepping up, skip back. And I'm going to do C, up, C, cross over, third finger on B. So C up, C down. Do that. And then we're just basically from here going to do our scale, starting on G with our thumb, where our thumb is right here. But just be forewarned, as you can see on the page there, we're not going all the way up to the higher G. We're not doing a full octave scale. Cross over, stop at E and skip back. Okay, then flip over for our last note, which is our third finger on B flat. Okay, so 2, 3, flip over. 2, 3, go back. Stepping up, skip. C up, C down, cross over. Scale. Stop at E. Hold and flip over, third finger on B flat. From here, you would start the song over again, etc. Because there's going to be a repeat of the first section of the song coming up. More about that in a minute. Let's take a look at the left hand for a quick second. So left hand, our thumb is on F, third finger on B flat. So just a quick idea of what we're going to be playing. We're going to be B flat with our third finger, step down, step down. That's all that's going to happen at the lowest notes. And then we're going to pick up and move here. So that's okay. Just go ahead and try that. Make sure you got that. And then we're going to just add to that this F repeating 3 times. Move over 1. Okay. And then after that, we're going to go down here to C. Down to C. Okay. So the thumb is going to be busy. All right, let's try it right now. 2, 3. Move down to E. Move down to C. Okay, that makes sense. Now we're going back to where we were before. Only 2 times we're playing this. Hold, quarter note, half note pattern. So our second note we hold. 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 Now we're going to go right here with our pinky and stay here this time. Don't move down. And then our thumb is now going to move down and pointer fingers right there for the C. Hold. Right hand where we were before flips over. Now measure 17 to 24 is going to be exact replica of measure 1 to 8. Etc. Okay, you know that part. All right, let's go back and take a look at what happens at measure 24. As you know, it ends with this pattern. Finger number 2 on E. left hand comes in for this, right? Okay, now ending right here, let's talk about the transition into the last line of the song. We're going to pick up our hand and move the pinky in the left hand to the F, and the right hand is moving down to this F. And we're going to do arpeggios, starting on F, pointer finger, finger number 2 on B flat, and our thumb on D flat. Same notes here, but we're using just these 3 fingers. And that's because we're doing a full octave to the last note there. And so that's going to sound like this. Okay. Now, from here, our thumb's just going to simply just move from here to here to down to the C. Pinky stays the same. Okay. The right hand is going to have this pointer finger move down to C, and the thumb is moving to A, from F to A, from here to here. Okay. Okay. So here. Let's do it one more time so you can see that. Pick up, we're doing mostly the same. The end will be different. Okay. Pick up your right hand, move your thumb to C. We're going to do a 6th. So that means our pinky needs to move over to A. So it's C and A. Okay. Left hand's going to stay the same as it did last time. Just move the thumb down here. And it's going to be F and C for a 5th. So 5th in the left, 6th in the right. And that's the end of the song. This concludes your lesson tutorial, and I hope it's been very helpful. I'm going to encourage you to practice every single day to make sure you're prepared for your performance. And I wish you the best of luck.